Hope you all are doing good. In this video, we are going to discuss UGC NET 2014 questions and answer from question number 1 to 25. First question, which is the nodal body for adoption of children in India? Option A, NIP CCD. Option B, CARA. Option C, CSWB. Option D, NCPCR. Right answer, option B, CARA, that is Central Adoption Resource Authority. Second question, the purging of repressed emotions to get relief is called option A, sublimation. Option B, ambivalence. Option C, catharsis. Option D, fixation. Right answer, option C, catharsis. The purging of repressed emotion to get relief is called catharsis. Moving on to the third question. The roadmap that guides the behavior of the members of a society is options A, groups, B, culture, C, peers, D, religion. Right answer from the option is option B, culture. So, the roadmap that guides the behavior of the members of the society is culture. Fourth question. Language of proximity is also known as option A, verbal communication. Option B, non-verbal communication. Option C, oral communication. Option D, written communication. Right answer, option B. Language of proximity is also known as non-verbal communication. Moving on to the next question, which is not included in the community sentiment? Option A, sense of dependence. Option B, we feeling. Option C, instability. And option D, role feeling. Right answer, option C, instability is not included in the community sentiment. Sixth question, the funding agency formed for fundraising and distributing the fund is called options A, Community Welfare Council. Option B, Community Chest. Option C, Neighborhood Council. Option D, Community Center. Right answer, option B, Community Chest. The funding agency formed for fundraising and distributing the fund is called Community Chest. Seventh one, social distance scale was developed by from the option, right answer is option C, Bogardus. He developed the social distance scale. Moving on to the eighth question, the process of transforming social policy into social service is known as dash. Option A, social welfare administration. Option B, social aid. Option C, social media. Option D, social justice. Correct answer, option A, social welfare administration. The process of transforming social policy into social service is known as social welfare administration. Next question, the theory that is based on rewards and punishment is options A, trial and error theory of learning. B, operant conditioning. C, social learning theory. Option D, classical conditioning. Correct answer, option B, operant conditioning. Next question, who is known as the father of intelligence test? Right answer, option A, Bennett. Moving on to the next question, the theory which believes in exemplary punishment to discourage the offenders from repeating his crime and set an example for others to keep away from the crime is called option A, Deterrent theory. Option B, Preventive theory. Option C, Reformative theory. Option D, Redistributive theory. Right answer, option A. 12th question, which of the following constitutional provisions prohibits employment of children below the age of 14 years in the factories, mines or any hazardous occupation? Option A, Article 14. Option B, Article 21. option C, Article 24, and option D, Article 45. Correct answer, option C, Article 24. Next one, the Human Rights Council meets at options A, New York, B, Vienna, C, Geneva, D, Paris. Right answer, option C, Geneva. The Human Rights Council meets at Geneva. 14th one, the method that brings about adjustment in personal and social relationship is called option A, social casework, B, social adjustment, C, social group work, and D, defense mechanism. Right answer, option A, social casework. Next one, according to whom group must solve two general problems, that is instrumental and socio-emotional, to maintain themselves. Right answer, option D, Robert Bales. Next question, the three stages of social change, that is theological, metaphysical, and positives, are postulated by. Right answer, option C, Auguste Comte. 18th one, which among the following is not a primary source of data collection? Options A, observation, B, questionnaire, C, interview, and D, referral. Right answer from the option is option D, referral. Referral is not a primary source of data collection. 19th question, citation approach of leadership is also called as option A, trait theory, option B, contingency theory, option C, ethical approach, option D, functional approach. Correct answer from the option is option B, contingency theory. So, situational approach of leadership also known as contingency theory. Next one, every element has a non-zero probability of being sampled and involves random selection at some point. Options A, probability sampling, B, non-probability sampling, C, both A and B are correct, and option D, none of the above. Right answer, option A, probability sampling is the right answer. So, every element has a non-zero probability of being sampled and involves random selection at some point is known as probability sampling. Next one, confrontation focuses on one of the following. Option A, similarity in the statements, B, congruency in the statement, C, discrepancy in the statement, and D, none of the above. Right answer, option C. Confrontation focuses on discrepancy in the statements. Next question, the difference between Bhudan and Gramdhan is. Right answer is option D, all the above, which means Bhudan involves donation from the individuals, whereas Gramdhan involves community action. And in Bhudan, individual ownership is retained, whereas in Gramdhan it is abolished. And in Bhudan, individuals are beneficiaries, whereas in Gramdhan the beneficiary is whole village community. So, the right answer is option D, all the above. 24th question, the client-centered approach is developed by. Right answer, option D, Carl Roger. A last question for today's session. The approach to make people whole by encouraging them to shed their defenses and unlock their potential is known as option A, psychodynamic approach, option B, system approach, option C, person-centered approach, and option D, Gestalt approach. Right answer, option D, Gestalt's approach. The approach to make people whole by encouraging them to shed their defenses and unlock their potential is known as Gestalt's approach. Thank you for watching this video. Part 2 of this session will upload next Friday at 3 p.m. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.